Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So I'm going to go over PGY with you guys, a major breakout that we had in the Intables room. I'm going to go over exactly how this one broke out today, what exactly would have to happen for PGY to continue, and to recap on Jerome Powell today. Jerome Powell did not mention any guidance leading into September's meeting, so the market did have a decrease in fear to the downside. Our question will be if we can hold 400 on the SPY to see if we can continue on higher, and then breaking above 412 on the SPY is exactly what we'd be looking for. But here on PGY, our question is, are we going to continue here? Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. And if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, very volatile breakouts that we mention every single day throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here on PGY, again, we had a previous break here at 2162. We would have been looking for new highs here out the gate. As you guys can see, we did mention in pre-market, we did have this spike out of pre-market, broke into new highs, above pre-market highs, and then had this spike all the way up to $23, a quick spike. And as you guys can see, we did have that decrease in pressure to the upside. We didn't get an increase. We did match our previous buy pressure point, but we did not continue on past it. Got a white shaded line coming in, had, again, our EMA line curling down here, and then we did cross below it. And as you guys can see, our EMA line was still above our MACD, so it did show us that we still could continue, and we did get that decrease in sell pressure to the downside and got an increase in buy pressure, breaking above our previous buy pressure point, as we did break over 23 here and broke up all the way to 25 on the day. Again, a nice breakout from pre-market up to 23, and then breaking above 23 on the day up to 25, and again, mentioned stopped out at about 24.50. And the reason why we mentioned that, again, as you guys can see here, we did have our EMA line that was crossing down. Again, I did mention the Intables room on the 1-minute chart that, again, we were curling down here with our EMA line, and we did exit before, again, we did cross here. So again, a very nice play that we had to the upside. Now the question is, what exactly would have to happen for us to continue? As you guys can see, our relative strength, we are just above the median of RSI, so that's why some people are still keeping PGY on the watch, and we will be looking to see if we can break continue highs above our previous RSI point to see if we can jump back into overbought territory. That is the type of setup that I'll be looking for here. Now the level that I would want to see if we can break above here is at 25. We did get rejected just below 25. We did mention in the Intables room that we did need to break above 25 to continue on higher, and we did get that rejection, again stopping out early before we did continue on lower. And looking at the MACDs, you guys can see we have our spike that we had all the way up to 25 here on our buy pressure. We would be looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure point, so get that increase in pressure to the upside and break over 25. That would be that confirmation on an increase in pressure and that continuation here. Again, PGY will stay on the watch because, as you guys can see, we had multiple spikes since last Friday, and then we had a major spike yesterday, and then another major spike today. So again, we will keep PGY on the watch. Now again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts that we mention every single day in the Intables room, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. We're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, take what the market gives us like we had it here on PGY. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.